Buongiorno, Brad. Turn on your DeLonghi.
Okay.
Pick your beans. Then make your drink in just one touch.
Oh.
Really, one touch. Bravo. Now, go outside and make yourself comfortable.
Yeah?
Enjoy the view. And smell it. Brad, not the view, the coffee.
Right.
Take a good sip and finally put your fingers together and say, perfetto.
Perfetto?
Not there yet.
Perfetto. Perfetto. Perfetto?
Come on, man.
Perfetto. Good enough.
You're getting there. DeLonghi, it's not just perfect. It's perfetto.